Movie camera unlock the secret weapon in your kitchen, broccoli tomato. Did you know the key to managing diabetes could already be in your kitchen? Imagine turning everyday meals into powerful tools for better health, without feeling restricted or overwhelmed. Glowing star. In this video, we'll reveal 7 extraordinary vegetables that not only help lower blood sugar but also boost your overall well-being. These vibrant, nutrient-packed foods act as natural medicine for your body, empowering you to take control of your health one delicious bite at a time. From practical tips to inspiring success stories, you'll discover how easy and enjoyable diabetes management can be. Plus, we'll share mouth-watering recipes that will transform these vegetables into staples you'll actually crave. Fork and knife with plate sparkles. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make food your greatest ally in achieving balance and vitality. Hit play now and start your journey toward a healthier, more vibrant you. Flexed biceps. Backhand index pointing right. Subscribe for more life-changing tips and recipes. 1. Mushrooms. Mushrooms, often overlooked in daily diets, are emerging as a nutritional gem. Packed with antioxidants, B vitamins, and fiber, they offer a host of health benefits. Notably, mushrooms help reduce inflammation and enhance insulin sensitivity, making them an excellent dietary choice for individuals managing diabetes. Incorporating mushrooms into meals is both simple and versatile. For example, one vegetarian enthusiast has creatively included mushrooms in nearly every dish, from garlic sautéed sides to hearty mushroom omelets. Their adaptability makes them a staple for those seeking flavorful yet healthy options. For a unique twist, try grilling mushrooms and stuffing them with spinach and feta cheese. This low-carb recipe is both satisfying and nutritious. Additionally, mushrooms serve as an excellent meat alternative in dishes like stir-fries and tacos, offering a plant-based solution without compromising on flavor or texture. With their myriad of health benefits and culinary versatility, mushrooms deserve a spot in every kitchen. Whether as a main ingredient or a subtle addition, they prove that healthy eating can be both delicious and accessible. 2. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are gaining recognition as a versatile and health-boosting addition to any diet. Known for their high water content, cucumbers are an excellent choice for staying hydrated, especially during warmer months. With a low glycemic index, they also help maintain stable blood sugar levels, making them a suitable option for individuals monitoring their glucose intake. Rich in antioxidants, cucumbers play a role in reducing inflammation, contributing to overall wellness. Their crisp texture and mild flavor make them an ideal ingredient for a variety of dishes. A recent potluck highlighted their appeal when a simple cucumber salad with yogurt and mint became the star of the event, showcasing how healthy recipes can also be crowd pleasers. For a quick and nutritious snack, try pairing cucumber slices with hummus. Additionally, adding cucumbers to smoothies can provide a refreshing twist while enhancing hydration. Whether enjoyed on their own or as part of a creative recipe, cucumbers are a valuable addition to a balanced diet, offering both health benefits and culinary versatility. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli has earned its reputation as a nutritional powerhouse, particularly for individuals managing diabetes. Packed with fiber and antioxidants, this cruciferous vegetable plays a pivotal role in regulating blood sugar levels. A standout compound in broccoli, sulforaphane, is known to combat oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 key contributors to diabetes complications. Incorporating broccoli into daily meals can be both simple and beneficial. For instance, steaming broccoli and pairing it with lean proteins like grilled salmon offers a balanced, diabetes-friendly option. Additionally, blending broccoli into a creamy soup using low-fat or almond milk provides a comforting and health-conscious alternative. Research also suggests that combining broccoli with other cruciferous vegetables, such as kale or cauliflower, can amplify its glucose-regulating properties. This synergy underscores the importance of variety in a diabetic diet. For those seeking practical strategies, meal prepping with broccoli can streamline healthy eating habits. Many individuals in diabetic support groups have reported success by making broccoli a staple in their weekly plans. With its impressive nutritional profile and versatility, broccoli continues to be a valuable ally in diabetes management and overall health. 4. Spinach. Spinach, a leafy green powerhouse, offers a wealth of health benefits, particularly for individuals managing diabetes. Low in calories yet packed with essential nutrients like iron, magnesium, and potassium, spinach plays a vital role in improving insulin sensitivity and promoting heart health. Experts highlight the value of spinach's natural compounds, which support glucose regulation and overall well-being. For instance, many individuals have incorporated spinach into their diets with notable success. Sarah, a pre-diabetic, began blending spinach into her morning smoothies. Within months, she experienced improved energy levels and better blood sugar control. Spinach's versatility makes it easy to include in daily meals. For a nutritious breakfast, add a handful of spinach to scrambled eggs or omelets. This simple addition provides a boost of vitamins and minerals to start your day right. Additionally, pairing spinach with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil can enhance nutrient absorption, ensuring you reap maximum benefits. Incorporating spinach into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support diabetes management and overall health. Its impressive nutrient profile makes it a valuable addition to any balanced meal plan. 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, often considered a kitchen essential, are gaining recognition as a diabetes-friendly superfood. Rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant, they help combat inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Their naturally low calorie and carbohydrate content also makes them an excellent choice for maintaining stable blood sugar levels, particularly for individuals managing diabetes. Maria, an avid gardener, shared her inspiring journey of growing her own tomatoes during a local workshop. By cultivating fresh produce, she developed a deeper connection with healthy eating. Her favorite dish? A refreshing tomato and basil salad drizzled with olive oil, a simple yet nutritious option. For those looking to maximize the health benefits of tomatoes, avoiding store-bought sauces is key, as they often contain added sugars. Instead, homemade tomato sauces crafted from fresh ingredients provide a healthier alternative. A quick and flavorful recipe to try: roast cherry tomatoes with olive oil and garlic. This versatile dish works as a delicious side or a wholesome snack, highlighting the natural sweetness of tomatoes while delivering a boost of antioxidants. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet is a small step that can lead to significant health benefits. 6. Cabbage. Cabbage, often overlooked in the vegetable aisle, is a nutrient-packed food that deserves more recognition. Rich in vitamin C and fiber, it plays a vital role in boosting immunity and promoting heart health. Its low glycemic index makes it an excellent choice for maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day, making it particularly beneficial for individuals managing blood sugar. A personal anecdote highlights cabbage's health benefits. A grandmother with diabetes swears by her simple cabbage stir-fry with garlic and turmeric. Decades later, her consistent consumption of vegetables like cabbage has contributed to her active and healthy lifestyle. For a creative culinary twist, consider using cabbage leaves as wraps for lean protein fillings such as grilled chicken or tofu. This innovative approach offers a healthier alternative to traditional tortillas while maintaining a balance of flavor and nutrition. To create a well-rounded, blood sugar-friendly meal, pair cabbage with protein-rich options. Its versatility and health benefits make it an essential addition to any diet, proving that sometimes the simplest foods are the most impactful. 7. Carrots. Carrots, often seen as a simple snack or salad ingredient, are gaining recognition for their significant health benefits. Packed with fiber, they play a vital role in stabilizing blood sugar levels by slowing digestion, making them particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. Unlike foods that cause sudden glucose spikes, carrots provide sustained energy throughout the day. Their signature orange color is due to beta-carotene, a compound that converts to vitamin A in the body. This nutrient is essential for maintaining good vision, supporting immune health, and promoting overall well-being. Experts recommend consuming carrots whole or lightly cooked to preserve their fiber content, as opposed to juicing, which removes much of this valuable component. For a quick and nutritious dish, a carrot slaw made with grated carrots, cabbage, and a tangy vinaigrette is both refreshing and easy to prepare. From personal anecdotes to scientific backing, carrots prove to be a versatile and healthful addition to any diet. Their natural sweetness can also help curb cravings for sugary snacks, making them an excellent choice for those seeking healthier alternatives. And there you have it, our top 7 vegetables that can help you take control of your blood sugar and support your journey to better health. Incorporating these nutrient-packed veggies into your meals can make a real difference in managing diabetes and boosting your overall well-being. Remember, small, consistent changes lead to big results over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. And for more tips on healthy living, nutrition, and managing diabetes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Join our community as we continue to explore ways to live healthier, happier lives, together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.